6th of September 2018, there was an article published in the Daily Mail talking about an Instagram model found hanged on a billionaire's £190 million super yacht. That she had called her family in tears over an incident with a crew member just hours before she dies, lawyers revealed. The article then goes on to talk about how this young lady had become obsessed with not doing a lot of work but getting paid a lot of money and having an amazing Instagram account more than anything. So a couple of days later, there was another article published, and it was rampant drug abuse, secret prostitutes, 20 hours a day and strict weight guidelines. Former super yacht employees lift the lid on the dark side of working for billionaires. Imagine our shock horror as we read onto it that these billionaires employ attractive women, pay them anywhere between £5,000 to £7,000 a month, and they expect them to look attractive, to fetch them drinks, and to serve them cold drinks as and when they want them, and to have sex with them. Shocker, really. I mean, who on earth thinks that you can earn £5,000 to £7,000 a month and not have to take it up the arse? You join a job and you haven't got any qualifications. I mean, that's the dream job, isn't it? You don't have to be sodomised, and you get £5,000 to £7,000 a month for essentially doing nothing. Well, say doing nothing. Essentially doing the same job as a fridge. Because imagine if these billionaires took the time to think, they wouldn't have to employ all these girls if they just fitted a fridge full of cold drinks in their living room. I don't understand why they haven't done that. I mean, the biggest secret that they've let go, if you read on through the article, is that she announces that the billionaires do lots of coke and have sex with lots of prostitutes. I mean, imagine, everyone's shocked to that. Billionaires doing coke and having sex with prostitutes? What did these girls think these billionaires did on their yachts? I mean, they don't sit on the yachts all year round, so these young ladies and gents that work on these yachts, they do the hashtag future rich kid, and they go around pretending that they're living the absolute high life. And you know, I'm sure if you go on any of these models that have worked on any of these billionaires' ships, you look at them and you can say, well, yeah, they must be rich, they must be really successful. No, all they're successful at is taking dirty old men's dicks in them and becoming a spunk bucket. You know, if that's what you want your child to be when you grow up, then stay skinny, don't pay any attention at school, go and be a spunk bucket on a billionaire's yacht. But believe me, you'll be taking some dirty old man's dick in you at some point if you want to earn £5,000 to £7,000 a month when you're 19. Come on, are you serious?